Hello there. One of the way you can optimize your website is by optimizing the JavaScript and CSS code as well as JavaScript and CSS files from your website. So in this tutorial, we are going to look at how to optimize our JavaScript and CSS code and files. To optimize it, what we need to do is we have to remove all unused JavaScript and CSS files from our website. So let's say we have some JavaScript or CSS files present on our website, but it is not being used right now. Maybe earlier we were using the scripts, but now it is not required. So we need to identify such JavaScript or CSS files and code which is not used in our website right now, and we need to remove such codes from our website. So let's see how to identify which JavaScript file is not used in our website, which CSS file is not used in our website, and even if the JavaScript or CSS file is used, what percentage of this JavaScript file is used on our websites. To check this, there is a code coverage tool available in Google Chrome which we can utilize, which is very popular. So open your website in Google Chrome and go to inspect mode. And once you open inspect mode, on the right side you will see these three dots. So click on these three dots and there you will see more tools. Inside more tools you will find code coverage. So here you can see coverage is there. So you have to click on this coverage. Once you click on the coverage button, you will see a screen like this. Here you will see a reload button. To start the coverage, click on the reload button, and once it is started, browse the different pages of your website and do some actions. For example, I am going to home page of my website and I am scrolling through my website, and then I am going to a product page again, and then I will add one product to the cart. And once you have done these different activities, stop the coverage using this red button. So here click on the stop and your coverage is ready. Now let's analyze this coverage to see what percentage of which file is used. So here you can see we have all the different files available and what is the type of the file, whether it is CSS file or JavaScript file, and what is the total byte of the file. And here we have the most important information, which is unused bytes of the file and what is the percentage of unused code. So this is where we have to look and identify unused code. So here you can filter your CSS and JavaScript file. Click on this all button and then you can filter. For example, I want to check this report for my CSS files. So I will click on CSS and I will see all CSS files which were loaded when I browse these pages. Now when you look at this unused byte, you can see like 88%, 82% of these unused files are there. And here you can see there are few files which is unused 100%. So you have to review these files whether really it is used in one place or another place or not, because it might be possible that you have loaded this file in all pages, but you require these files only in few pages. But in our code coverage, whatever pages we have browsed, these files are not required. That's why this unused percentage is 100. So you have to review all the files where unused percentage is 100 or close to 100 and figure out whether really these files are required or not. And once you identify that these files are not required, you can remove this. For example, I have added one custom CSS file in my project here, which is not required for my project. Earlier I needed this CSS file, but now I don't need it, and I can also see that this file is not used anywhere in our website, anywhere in the pages where we have visited. So I will go ahead and remove this. So this is how you have to identify all the CSS files which you don't need in your website. So use this coverage tool to identify all unused CSS and JavaScript files from your website.